Hello, my name is Diana. I'm going to record the tutorial. This is the task, the first task, I guess. So here, my profile. Explore all the features available under your profile, top right. So this is where we go. Top right, my picture, my name, and there is the menu. So let's have a look at these options of the menu. So this is the name. If I click there, I will get to the profile page. Okay, but here we have preferences. Again, when you click on user, you can see preferences. You can see some sections, user account. You can edit your profile from here. So let's click on edit profile. And here we see the general information and some of the required fields are there. Email address, email display, and there are some options. Allow only other course members to see my email address, or hide my email address from non-privileged users. Okay, so and let everyone see your address. So city, you can write your city, country, time zone, a little description. There is the picture. Here you can upload your picture or leave it empty. Additional names. If you want people to pronounce your name correctly, you can write it phonetically. Interests. There is the list of interests I put there, so I can enter some other interests, add them. Optional. Okay, here you can add the web page address, Skype ID, Yahoo ID, okay, institution you work in, department, phone, mobile phone, and your address. Okay, if you make changes, don't forget to update your profile, or you risk to lose your changes. Okay, so when you update your profile, you get back to the preference page. You can choose your preferred language, forum preferences. Well, I think it makes sense to look through all those options, and you can try them out. If you don't like them, you can always get back here and choose the options that work for you. Just forum preferences. Okay. Email digest type. So if you don't like to receive all the emails, if you write a lot, you don't want to have a lot of emails in your box, you can have this option, complete daily email with full posts. You'll get just one email with all the posts that you get during the day. Okay, so yes, when I post, subscribe me to that forum discussion. Okay, what are other options? No, don't automatically subscribe to forum discussions. Well, you can actually choose this one, and then if you decide that you want to have this, you want to follow this discussion, you can do it yourself instead of automatic subscription. Okay, so you see, save changes. Don't forget to save them. In preferences, you should spend some time there and choose the options that you prefer. Okay, what do we have here? Messages. Messages. You can click here. It's the same option here and here. Okay, group messages, private messages. You can, yeah, private files. When you click on private files, you get to your private files. Okay, I probably don't have any for now. So, yeah, but you can upload them, add files. And we have this file picker. Okay, a lot of options here. What is Red 5? I have no idea what it is, so this is this thing I will need to find out, to explore. Upload files, URL downloader, Dropbox. Okay, a lot of options. Plenty. Good. Then we have forum posts. So these are all the posts that you... Yeah, okay. Good. The next one is discussions. And I think this is... Yeah, the discussions that you've started. Nice. My grades. Okay. You should choose your course. Yeah, I like this one. So here you see all the tasks that you need to complete in order to get the final grade. Yeah, so you need to everything is empty for now. Okay, I have a lot to do here. Great. Badges. What do we have here? Yes, I completed my profile page, so I have the profile badge, which is very neat. I like that. Log out. Okay, I understand. Help. Help. I click on help. Nothing happens. Something should happen, but I'm not sure why. Okay. Okay, yes. I have, yeah. Okay. My mailbox is opening. Okay, so you will need to write something if you want to your problem to be solved. Okay, it takes a while, so I'm going to close this window. So that's it. I think that it's a lot of things you can do if you go through your this menu. Hope everything was clear. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.